Okay, so Leetcode practice time. So in this videos there are two goals. The first goal is to see how to solve this problem, and then we are going to put some code in there, and the second one is to see how we should behave in real interview. So let's get started. So remember, in the real interview, the first thing is to always try to fully understand the problem. If there is anything unclear, please ask some questions to clarify, and also at the same time think about some edge cases. So let's take a look at this question. Simplify pass. So given an absolute pass for a file, which is Unix style, simplify it, or in other words, convert it to canonical pass. So in a Unix style file system, a period dot refers to the current directory. Furthermore, a double period moves the directory up to level. Okay, so note that the return canonical pass must always begin with a slash, and there must be only a single slash between two directory names. So the last directory name must not end with a trailing slash. Also, the canonical pass must be the shortest string representing the absolute pass. So for this one, we are going to, for this home, we are going just to remove the last slash, and for this one, we are going to return the home directory, and for this one, we are going to go to the full directory. Or similarly, for this, we are going to go to the directory C. Okay, yeah, I think I pretty much understand the problem. Let's think about some edge cases. So first of all, it says that the pass length is between 1 to 3000, so the pass is not gonna be empty. And also, the pass consists of English letters, digits, period, slash, and or underscore. Okay, and pass is a valid Unix pass. Alright, it sounds good. Yeah, I think it sounds good. Let's take a look at how to solve this problem. So after you're done with the first step, the next step is about finding the solution. So how to solve this problem? So here I think we could use a stack here. So the stack, within the stack we store the corresponding folder name. So for example, let's take an example like this. So first of all, we will need to split the pass into separate folders, into different folders using the slash. So at this one we have A, we will have A, and then the dot, and then the B, then the dot dot, and the dot dot, and then the C. And we are going to go from the first one until the last, iterate through the folder names. So if it is a regular folder name, if A or B or C, then we are going to push into the stack. If it is a single dot, then we are going to do nothing. If it is a two dots, then we are going to, if there is anything within the stack, then we are going to pop the top element from the stack. So for this one, first we push A into the stack, and then dot, it is a dot, then we just do nothing, then we push B into it, and then it comes to dot dot, then we are going to remove B, and then we further pop A, and then finally we insert C. So, and then after we iterate through all of the folder names, we are going to just reconstruct the directory name based on the folder names within the stack. So essentially it is going to be all of n regarding the runtime, and space-wise it's also going to be all of n. So the next step is about some coding stuff. So for coding, we care about the speed, the correctness of the code, and also the readability of the code. So let's see. So first of all, we need to divide the path. So first of all, you need to have, so let's say we have a stack So first of all, we are going to split the paths using the slash. So let's say fathers is equal to path dot split using the forward slash. So we are going to go through the fathers. String so first of all, if the father dot equals, so if it is equals to a dot, then we just simply continue doing nothing. Otherwise, if it is two dots, then we just see if the stack is empty. It's not empty. Then we are just going to pop the top element. So stack.pop, and otherwise it would be a regular folder. We're just going to push it stock into the stack, just folder. And after that, we are going to reconstruct the folders. So we are going to have the string builder is equal to, let's say, dir sb is equal to new string builder. You're going to say well, stack dot is empty. Then first of all, we are going to get the top element. So string folder stack dot pop. So drsb dot it should be append to the first it's not append, it seems to be okay, so it is insert. So we are going to insert at the very beginning the folder, I think 0 folder. Then we are going to insert yeah 0 and then a forward slash. Finally, we just return dir sp dot to string. Yeah, so that's pretty much it about this coding, but we are not done after we are done with coding. We still need to do some testing. So let's see, take an example. So let's take a look at example. Alright, so I think I still missed something, which is empty. So if it is equal to a dot, or folder dot equals dot is empty is empty. So if it's empty or if it is equal to a dot, then we are going to continue. So let's take a look at this. So first of all, let's take a look at example 3. First of all, we are going to split the folders using the forward slash, and we have empty, then home, then empty, then full, then empty. So if it is, then we are going to go through each folder. So empty, we're just going to skip it. For the home and full, we are going to push into the stack. And when we try to pop the stack, we are going to insert the directory at the beginning of the string builder. So first of all, we insert the folder name and then insert the forward slash before it. Yeah, so I think that should be good, and similarly for I think it should also work for example 4. So let's give it a shot by running this piece of code. Okay, so it seems to be good. Let's do a submission. Alright, so it says wrong answer. So what is wrong answer? Oh, okay. So definitely some edge case I missed, which is the if it is empty, then we shouldn't return empty. We should return like a forward slash. So I would say if dir sp dot is empty dot size, right? Dot length. Okay, so if the length is equal to 0, then we are going to return. Definitely this is a edge case I didn't catch. Yeah, so after we catch this edge case, everything is good. So that's it for this coding question, and if you have any question about the solution or this puzzle, please leave some comments below. And if you feel this video helpful, please help subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.